In JavaScript, an array is an ordered sequence of values. You can construct an array in a couple of ways. First, you can use the array constructor and just pass in all different types of values, like numbers and strings, and even other arrays. In JavaScript, arrays don't have to all hold the same type. Another way to construct an array is to use the array constructor again and pass in the array's quote fingers length. Length, in the case of JavaScript arrays, is a loose term because the array resizes itself when it needs more memory. Also on this concept, empty arrays elements are undefined. The last way to construct an array is what you're used to from other languages, a literal array with comma-separated values enclosed in square brackets. The other main concept of JavaScript arrays is accessing elements, otherwise known as indexing. Regular indexing works as expected. Something like this array indexed at 0 accesses the first element. There's no such thing as out of bounds in JavaScript. If you go past where there's defined elements, you'll just get back undefined. If you try to use a negative number for indexing, you'll also get undefined. Arrays also have a good bit of methods built into the language that can modify them in a variety of ways. I've actually made a video talking about most of the array methods in JavaScript, so if you're interested in that, you can check it out right now.